Be properly prepared for your next camping adventure. Camping is truly one of the most amazing and unique types of vacations there are, and you will find yours so much more enjoyable if you make sure you are well prepared for it. Check out the following video for some very valuable advice on making your camping trip a total success. Although it is not an essential part of your backcountry camping gear, a machete is something that you may consider packing depending on where you are going. It is a very versatile tool in the wilderness. You can cut a trail, hack bamboo and vines for shelter, cut coconuts for water, chop firewood, and even use it as protection against wild animals. When going camping, make sure that you bring the right sleeping bag with you. Some sleeping bags will not keep you warm when the temperature dips below 40 degrees, while others will have you sweating all night long because they are too hot. The label on the bag usually will tell you what kinds of temperatures are appropriate for each sleeping bag. If you have little ones camping with you, pack a few art supplies. When you get to your site, show them how to do leaf rubbings. There are always a variety of leaves in all shapes and sizes, so trying them all out will take a while. The kids will be happy and you will have some peace and quiet while you relax and watch them. If you have a toddler, pack a blanket. You can lay it out on the ground and use it as a makeshift play area. Bring cars, dolls, or whatever items your child is into. They can play without getting too dirty and you can instruct them that they need to keep their toys on the blanket for safekeeping. This will help to keep things from getting too spread out. Bring a plastic garbage bag and put all of your family's dirty laundry in it. This keeps the items from mixing in with your clean clothing. It also makes things convenient for you when you return home. You can simply dump out the bag in your washing machine and begin working on it all immediately. Few things offer as much serenity and value than enjoying some one-on-one time with Mother Nature. Hopefully this video has given you all the helpful advice you need to make your camping trip go smoothly and without incident. Keep these tips in mind as you pack for the outing and enjoy every minute of it. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.